Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. This is our Tigers lesson, and this is our promotion exam week. What we are going to be doing in our lesson today, for our warm-up, we'll go through the skills that you'll be doing for your promotion exam. Just a quick review, we'll do our stretch, and we will look at them a bit more closely together, work with them together during our lesson. And then at the very end, you're going to select two of these, your two favorite, to submit for your promotion exam. We'll talk more about that at the end of today's lesson. So let's start with our warm-up. We are going to begin with our wedging block. Hands in at your hips, arms cross, and then out away. Our partner has grabbed us on the shoulders, and we're making them let go. Again, cross and out. Once more, cross and out. All right, let's go. Left foot forward, hands in at your hips, cross and out. Cross and out. Cross and out. Cross and out. Now, with the outer forearm block, we're protecting our face and head. Starting with our arm underneath, bringing it up, across, and through like this. Up, across, and through. Up, across, and through. Up, across, and through. Switch sides. All right, with your left arm now. Up, across, and through. Up, across, and through. Up, across, and through. Up, across, and through. Okay, now we are also working with our open-handed backhand strike combination. We're starting from a wedge. We'll start with our backhand, open hand, backhand. Open hand, backhand. Open hand, backhand. Then we'll add in our front. Open, back, open, and back. Right back into our wedge. Let's just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wedge. Once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and wedge. Let's switch sides. Again, we'll start off just with our backhand. Open hand, backhand, right back into our wedge. And again, open hand, backhand, back into our wedge. Once more, open hand, backhand, back into our wedge. Now we're going to add in our front hand, and we'll just count through this together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right side forward again, wedge guard up. Our triple palm heel strike. Back, front, back. Then right back into our wedge. And again, back, front, back, and wedge. Back, front, back, and wedge. Once more, back, front, back, and wedge. Switch sides. Back, front, back, and wedge. Back, front, back, and wedge. Back, front, back, and wedge. One more time. Back, front, back, and wedge. All right. Downward slap parry. This is our basic motion. Over and down, over and down. Now we're going to start with our arms down by our side. Up, over, and down like this. Up, over, and down. Up, over, and down. Once more. Up, over, and down. Now with your left hand. Up, over, and down. Up, over, and down. Up, over, and down. Once more. Up, over, and down. And finally, our rolling wrist release. Tuck your elbow in, your Partner grabs you by the wrist and you make a circle, just like that. Roll it around in a circle and tell them let go and go. Let go. And again, let go. Once more. Let go. All right, let's try it with your left arm now. Tuck it in close. Up and around like that. Small, tight circle. Up and around. Once more. Up and around. Now let's try it a little faster. And we're going to say let go. And go. Let go. And again. Let go. Once more. Let go. All right, very good. Those are our skills for our promotion exam today. They're all things that we have worked with during our spring term, things that you learned to earn either your bronze or your silver achievement stripes. Now let's go ahead and do our stretch. Feet out shoulder width wide, up and over to your right. And switch sides. And relax. Hands on your hips. Let's go gently over backwards. And relax. Stretch up toward the ceiling. Stretch down toward the floor. And relax. Ready to get feet out shoulder width wide. Arms out, and let's just twist from side to side. And relax. Now link your fingers together, turn your thumbs down toward the floor. Press your palms out away. Pull in. Press up. And relax. Okay. All right. Now, we're going to run through all of those skills together, working with a partner now. So be sure you've got your helper, your partner with you to work with these. And we are going to start with the wedging block. And Ms. Doubrley is going to be my partner. All right, I'm going to do the attack. Grab. She's going to do the wedging block.
Attack. Let go. Attack. Let go.
And you can have your partner try to take you by surprise by closing your eyes.
Let go.
Let's try that once more.
Let go.
Very good. Let's switch sides. Yeah, we'll start with an attack command.
Attack. Let go.
That way, even though we know this, we've been working with it, we still give ourselves a little bit of practice just to make sure we're doing it really well.
Attack. Let go.
Now we'll move to eyes closed.
Let go. Let go.
All right. Now we're going to move on to the outer forearm block. Ms. Doubrley, if we could have the training stick, please, the blocker. All right, we're going to start Let's start down here. When Miss Doubrley says attack, I'm just going to swing this up and around toward the side of her head. She's going to stop it with her outer forearm block.
Attack. Attack. Attack.
All right, now this time we're going to go no attack command, but she's going to keep her eyes open. When I move, she's going to block me, just like that. All right, let's switch sides. Got a bit of a dent in this. All right, I'll let you work with the other side. All right, again, we'll start with an attack command.
Attack. Attack. Attack.
Now, no attack command. All right, very good. It's a good, strong blocking position. All right, let's switch sides again. All right, now we're going to do the triple palm heel strike. Start from a wedge position. When I bring this up, Ms. Doubrley will strike, and I'm also circling around her. She is tracking me as I circle.
Back, front, back. Back, front, back. Back, front, back. Back, front, back. Back, front, back.
Good, we're going to switch sides now. And I'll keep circling.
Back, front, back. Back, front, back. Back, front, back. Back, front, back. Back, front, back.
Very good. Thank you, Ms. Doubrley. All right. Now, open hand and backhand strikes. And again, we're going to use the blocker here as our target. And we're going to do all four, just like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to hold it down here. When I swing it up, Ms. Doubrley is going to strike. All right, we're going to switch sides now.
That makes a nice sound. I like that.
Well, you're getting good solid strikes on this. Yeah. One of these, it's a really good training tool. I really like these. All right, I'll hold it down. Ms. Doubrley's going to strike. Once more. Thank you. Fluff that back up a little bit. All right. Downward slap parry. I'm going to start with the blocker back here. I'm going to thrust toward Ms. Doubrley, and she's going to slap it away. And then she's going to wedge up and move back. We're going to go a little faster.
There we go.
Very good. Let's switch sides. And I'm going to push this in, and Ms. Doubrley is going to slap it away. All right, now I'm doing my best to touch her with this, and I'm not really managing to get close. Very good. All right, I think we can set this one aside. The last skill we're working with is the rolling wrist release. I going to do the grab on this.
Let go.
Just like that. Roll it away.
Let go. Let go.
All right, we'll do the other side now. Here.
Let go. Let go. Let go.
All right, now we're going to do it eyes closed.
Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
It worked.
It worked.
It worked. Eyes closed, please. All right.
Let go.
Very good. It'll work on both arms at once. It does take a little bit of practice to do it that way, but I'm confident you can manage it. Now, those are the skills that we're doing for your promotion exam this week. So what I'd like you to do, now that we have done those together, go back through them. Pick your 2 favorite of those, the ones you like doing the best, and make a short video of yourself showing those skills. Or you can send an email telling why you like working with those particular skills. Yeah. Send those in during this week to complete your promotion exam and earn advancement to your next rank. Thank you very much for joining me today. Enjoyed working on these with you. Wish you all the best on your promotion exam. I know you're going to do a fine job. You've been working very hard all term to get to this point, and I know you're going to do really well. Thank you very much for joining.